What do top performers like Steve Jobs and Sheryl Sandberg have in common? They worked with the same coach, Bill Campbell. The top executives, founders, athletes, builders all work with coaches to help them sharpen their mindsets and skill sets. And that's why we built out Reddy. Reddy on the Skilltree platform is your personal AI assistant coach to help you take that next step or figure out what to do. And one of the hardest things to do is get started. If you don't even know where to start, you can work with Reddy to have a conversation of say, hey, I don't know what to do. And Reddy's goal is to help you navigate that uncertainty and figure out, well, what are you interested in? And based off what you're interested in, where might you want to start? And so even saying like, I don't know, multiple times, you start getting guidance along the way. Like, hey, let's just pick a skill you might want to grow in. Let's say you wanted to grow in writing. And so you're like, hey, I want to practice getting better at writing. In the age of AI, where everything is AI slop, I personally want to get stronger in figuring out what good writing looks like. And Reddy will help make that even more actionable. Like, well, what kind of writing? Copywriting and ad writing is very different than things like short stories. So let's say you wanted to figure out what good sci-fi writing was because you like reading and you want to see if you can write your own sci-fi stories. And based off of that, where Reddy really shines is helping figure out what that next actionable step is. And so as you get the suggestion for optimistic writing in short stories for sci-fi, Reddy will give support for an initial guide to get going. So you can copy and paste that directly into the guide creator. So you go from, I don't know where to start, to your first guide. And now you have a starting point. You've got a resource to figure out what role optimism plays in sci-fi writing, and you've got a task to write that first story, and you can get feedback along the way. And when starting to go through a full skill tree like video language action models and robotics, Reddy is there as an assistant to help you go through each guide step by step. So if there are certain parts that you have questions on or you want support in, let's say you're just trying to figure out what is a video language model and how is that set up, Reddy can help you go through different topics that might not be mentioned or might help you just answer questions and talk through things as you're going through them yourself. And so here we can see that for data structure in VLMs, it's usually an image paired with text. So you've got an image and a caption, like a photo of a dog, and the text reflects the same. Our goal with building Reddy into the platform is to help make sure that you have personalized support and coaching to help you level up in the way that makes sense for you in whatever path and skill tree you're on. If you want to give it a try, reach out.